Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on an Adore Me Valentine's Day necklace. Very beginner friendly using this bead board tray. It helps with placement. We've got our pieces. Let's get started. I've already pre-cut the beaded chain to an assorted lengths. My center chain will have 5 beads on it. It's a really fun way and cheat code for those who don't know how to wire wrap beads. It will give you the same look and the same aesthetic. This necklace is really easy. All you've got to do is open your jump rings, attach your beaded chain to your sterling silver base chain. So now that I've got my beaded chain attached to my jump ring, I simply pick up the center of my necklace and attach it to my base. Using my pliers, I'm going to twist it back to close. This is the beginning of your necklace, and laying it down does help you keep it a little more neat. Again, we're going to just simply open a jump ring, and using this pre-cut chain that has 3 beads on it, I will place it on the 2 marker on the board. As you can see again, it's a very simple addition just using a jump ring. Every addition to this necklace will descend in size, meaning my middle chain is going to be the longest, and moving outwards, they will get shorter. It gives for good balance on your necklace. But again, it's your piece, so do as you want. Now I've got my final length, and I'm placing it on the 4 using the bead tray. This keeps all my links evenly parted. Now again, we're just going to do the final addition on the opposite side. And now you're almost done with your necklace. We're going to be using this lobster clasp with an open jump ring to attach to one side of our chain. These clasps are really easy for any user to open and close. Using the pliers, you again close the base of the lobster clasp, and you've now attached the closure to your chain. Now on the opposite end of the chain, we're going to be using a jump ring to attach to your clasp. It's very simple. You're just going to place the jump ring on the end of your chain. This will connect to your clasp. You have finished making your beginner necklace. Thank you so much for watching. Adore Me Valentine's Day piece.